This video is an actual reenactment of what happened today, February 19th, 2020, exactly 1/2 hour ago. I'll get a chicken poutine. You want rice instead? There's no gravy, so it's gonna take about 10 minutes because I have to make it from scratch. So if you want to
just
wait,
get a mini meal. Chicken, fried chicken, with gravy on it.
Rice and peas.
Yes, rice and peas.
Sauce.
Oh, oxtail gravy.
Sir, what you be having?
Look at this, Daddy. Look at my dog, Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Sir.
She's talking to you.
What?
Oh, pardon.
What you be having?
Oh, soup. One soup. Oh. Thanks.